Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the gold fall 0.3% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session after rising as much as 1.2% during the session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The US Department of Energy said it awarded supply contracts to 5 companies to deliver 3.1 million barrels of crude oil to the Strategic Petroleum Reserve in August, at an average price of $73 per barrel. 3 million more barrels are planned to be added in September. The officials in Japan say inflation is running stronger than expected, a factor that raises the chance of the BOJ upgrading its inflation forecast in a quarterly economic outlook report in July. The end of the dominance of the US dollar is nigh, as the Chinese yuan rises and the rest of the world sees the peril of the West's failed attempt to bring Russia to its knees over Ukraine, one of Moscow's most powerful bankers said.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Consumer Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index Core at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's Claimant Count Change at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.